Got going on here, folks. Mrs. Jones here, and this home has a bad sewer line from curb to going inside the house, and she had just got this hardscape put in with slate, etc., etc. And the age of the home, they're going to opt for the pipe liner, pipe in a pipe, Nuflow. Okay, folks, this shot's coming from the camera being pulled out of the house. As you see, a couple fittings. Old cast iron pipe original turns into terracotta here shortly right there. Lots of roots coming in. We descaled it already. And moving further up, another pipe repair. We're actually going to line this all with one length of pipe with Nuflow. There's the repair to fix all these root intrusions.
Emergency service.
Check everything before we bring it down.
Just trying to think, because Dave is usually the...
So now we're going to make sure we have our checklist here that...
But
Yeah, that's okay.
what do you guys do with the water in the pipe when you guys build the liner? Does it just like push it out? What's the deal with that?
It'll pull right through the water, and then where that water goes, it's going to force itself out now because we got a big, that belly in there.
Oh, that's fun.
So I just wondered how bad the cast is. Look at them, gnarly, bro. We got to go real easy with this. Okay. We have another lead.
Okay, you're at the bottom of the 90 going into the house.
So we're going to start from there and clean out.
Say again?
We'll start from there and clean out.
Yeah, just go from there and go nice and far back.
All right, here we go. Ready?
Yep.
Run it.
Yeah.
Down to 3 pounds. So I want to test this. Will this work?
Big Nuflow day. Thing's got a hole there, boys.
We're going to make it for 45 feet because I'm going to tell you something. The last blow when we did, we were struggling to get juice.
No, we need juice.
Although this last, let's air this down. We got to look at it. Look at this. Day old.
Oh, that's not even bad.
I'll hook it up in the oven. They don't mind. Lunch served. The sewer comes from out front, 290s, makes a right outside and up into this piece of cast. We're going to line all the cast from here to the curb.
Yeah, heavy one. I brought a cooler today, boys. What's in the cooler is classic.
How about this part?
Yeah, we're going to hold that, start pulling the bladder out. I'm going to pull the bladder out.
Good.
I don't know what end to be on, boys.
Keep me flat, all right?
If that's 500 a bucket that I don't want to spill.
That one?
That's good. 15.
Right.
I can't see my pour, by the way.
You're
I'm
good.
missing the bucket.
No, you're good.
Don't touch the bucket.
What are you going for? 22?
22.6.
Alright, no more.
Where we at? Got it?
22.65.
Awesome. Our mix is going. Cool.
Let's
So
get
we'll
that.
Go right back to back with it. One more rag.
Going to 15 again?
Yeah.
Yeah, real quick.
I can't really see
You're
this.
good, you're good.
This bucket code.
I'm almost done, so.
20.25. Just don't let that hose stop. I got it. Once it starts
Keep working it down, baby. You okay, Joe? Yeah, I'm good. Get that flag, baby. You got a bag right here, boys.
Yes. Yep. I'm coming for the heavy pullback.
All right. You're going to have to get up and push it to me because we got that funnels in there. Okay, stop there. Back up.
You release from there.
Okay, roll to me.
Come to me.
All right, gotta come. I had no idea you were trying to fit.
Keith just invented this.
Here it comes. Keep coming.
Here
it comes.
Keep going.
Keep going.
All right, stop there.
In the plastic. Or that.
We'll go right there. Here, our gloves.
I was gonna do it so we could roll it all out.
Yeah, here, I'll let you start. Let me get a pair of gloves on.
Yeah, I feel it. It's
Go.
going. It's going.
Keep stretching it out, Ange. Pull it down to you. Pull it. Nicey nice.
Nice and easy. Go ahead. Come on.
Now it's just like that. There you go.
That's not bad, right?
Anybody will wash your hands right here.
Yeah, we're good. Freddie Burby.
We're taping. Watch the epoxy on the mat, boys.
Watch the epoxy. We got a roll of tape for backup. Grab that roll, walk them by somebody.
Angelo,
Angelo, right there behind you.
Please stop. Everyone stop.
Stop.
Let's go. Where's the epoxy bomb at? Watch your step.
I need a new hip.
Give me that.
Someone help him out there pulling.
All right, we're coming.
How much more?
5 feet.
Let's go. Tell him to set the camera up. Oh! Tell him I'm in the fitting.
He's in the fitting.
We're good.
We don't want to get enough for
We're good?
Good.
Good, Chuck.
Put it where they want it.
Is it where you want it, Keith?
Yes.
It's where he wants it.
Here comes the air.
Here comes the air.
Listen,
Air coming.
listen for the pops.
Listen for pop, baby.
So here's the liner installed already in the dry point, okay? Wait for this to set up and we're gonna pull the liner out and the actual pipeline will be left in place. So you'll get the before and after shots.
Maybe 14, but I'm just going with one little line. It's exactly right there at 3 o'clock. Windows shut. Boys, you're not gonna believe it. The PSI didn't even drop last night. We're detaching right now. We are deflating the tube that's inside the pipe that was holding the epoxy for it to cure. So that's what's going on right there, boys. Now we're shoving this down the pipe here, boys. See what we can loosen up. That was it. I saw it break free.
Good.
Ready?
Ready? Oh, yep.
Ready?
Yep.
Success. Now we do is take my thing, shove it in there,
And just go.
drill it and pull it, drill it and pull it.
Go ahead.
All All right, you should be able to go back with me. Let's get some water.
There you go, new sewer.
Gold. Situation would be cut this right here, take some of this piece of pipe out. We can reinstate it that way and then just reconnect this pipe. So 2 3-inch couplers and maybe one of those. And I'm seeing if he has pipe in his truck right this second.
But get an old school cut. And what that means is a straight cut. Not a wedge. Or a fishing stake. Now what I don't like to do is go through and take the rest of my leg off so you slow the blade down. Okay, filming the final product. Quite a few lessons learned here. And one would be it was too long a stretch. It all worked out, but we really busted our hump to get this out. And according to Grant, the Grand Poobah of Nuflow, this is pre-sand that we almost lost it because the chemical was starting to adhere while we were outside, which was scary. So we gave this a final sanding. Right there, you can see it. We sanded all that down, and turned out really well. No more joints, no more root intrusion, and a long shot right to the street. Doesn't fix pitch, but I'm gonna tell you, it's much, much smoother. You see, it's not holding no water. And that's it.